Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you all about some of the new products that we're carrying and their many benefits. First up, we have these Camo Cleansing Pads from Keenoniks. The Camo Cleansing Pad stands for the Cabbage and Moringa One-Step Cleansing Pad. This will mix your cleansing and your exfoliating into one quick and easy step. There are three components to this product. The first is cleansing and balancing the skin's pH, the second is soothing and calming, and then the third is hydrating with a 3-layer hyaluronic acid. Next up, we have the Hydrating Ampoule Booster. This is made from 61% glacial water from Whistler, Canada. This pure glacial milk is great for hydrating the skin, and we also see components of salmon cartilage, which is good for boosting the barrier of the face. Next up, we have the Wonder Remedy Tube Intense Moisture Cream. This is 57% Centella Asiatica, and instead of using synthetic perfumes, this actually blends herbs and infuses them for a fresh, light, foresty smell. Next up, we have the brand Skinmiso. First, we have the Rice Foaming Cleanser. This is very gentle, yet very effective. It removes dead skin cells and sebums and works to tighten the pores. Next up from Skinmiso, we have the Pore Purifying Toner. Like many toners, this balances the skin's pH and also will fight any dead skin cells and sebum, which actually causes many breakouts in the future. Next up by Skinmiso, we have the Pore Corset Serum. This has actually been proven to reduce pore size by 34%. This is great to use after the toner and will help tighten your pores and prevent breakouts. Next up, we have the Pore Zero Night Cream. This is great to use overnight and it will brighten any dull skin and help with wrinkles. This uses sage, lemon balm, and witch hazel for the best results. Next up for new brands, we have Thank You Farmer. This Sun Project Water Sun Cream is 50+ SPF. It has African walnut oil in it, which is very good for protecting the skin's barrier. It is not oily and will not leave any white residue behind. Next up, we have the Sun Project Light Sun Essence. This is also 50 SPF, and it has lotus flower extract to calm and soothe the skin. And the last Thank You Farmer product that we are now carrying is the Sun Project Shimmer Sun Essence. This is actually SPF 30, and it has pearls inside of it to optimize your skin, and it helps your makeup last all day long, giving you the bright, glowy finish that you want. Definitely shop these SPFs because you should be using an SPF any day of the year, no matter if it is summer or winter. If you want to shop any of these products, they will be linked down below, and stay tuned for our future videos where we are going to dive deeper into each of the new brands that we're carrying. Thank you!